Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use Canva today. And I'm also using Screencastify to give you a little tutorial on how to use one of my favorite design sites. I use this a lot at school because it has a lot of variety. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Canva and you can set up a free account. If you have Google, it links to your Google account, which is great because whenever it uploads things, you can upload it directly to your drive. The first thing I'm going to show you is the templates. There are so many templates to choose from. There's absolutely anything that you could think of, you can design. From Instagram posts and Facebook posts, YouTube channel art, which my kids like, to flyers or lesson plans, worksheets. Anything that you can dream of, you can make it. Okay, so now it's time to start customizing, and you can customize everything on here. So let's say you want to change this background color. If you hit the background color and hit right here, this instantly becomes a color wheel and you can pick something different. So let's say I want to change the color. I can. I can even change the color of these little triangles. So I can pick and touch on a different color up here and change it to whatever I want to change it to. I kind of like those, so I'm going to leave them. The background and the text box right here. You can change anything that you want. So I want to put maybe welcome back. Let's do that. Welcome back. Okay. So up here is where I can also change my font. So if I would like to, they have a ton of different fonts that you can use. It's really up to you, whatever one you'd like to use. But there's a whole bunch here. This is where you can change your sizing to make it fit to whatever you would like to. This is where you can change your color of your font. If you would like to, you can go into these elements and you can add different things. There's so many different things that you can add to your picture. It's really limitless. Now, if you want to do a different text, you have just these headings that you can add, or they have fun little fonts for you. And if it says free, that means it's free and you can use it. So let's say that I want to add something underneath and I want to use this glow, or, oh, I do love sparkle a lot. So whenever I get a glow here, I can just take it away and I can maybe put the year. So 2021 for my school year. You can adjust the size. You can even adjust the color here of your font. So say I want to do this orange glow, I can do an orange glow. You can do a lighter pink, hot pink. I could even do purple. It really is whatever you want to do. You just drag it wherever you might want it into your picture here. If I want to edit down here, I can edit down here as well. Let me move this wherever. This was not how I would leave my design by any means. If you don't want this there, you can just click on it and delete it. And if I wanted to add a link to my school website, I definitely could. So now I want to teach you how to download it or share it. Well, the first thing you can do is you can download it. And whenever you hit download, there are several options. You can do different ones like a JPEG, a PDF. Kind of depends on what you're wanting to use it for. And that's going to download it to your computer. You also have options over here where you can send it directly to a Facebook page or put it on Pinterest, Twitter. If it's a calendar thing, you can add it to scheduling and it'll work. So there's different places to put it. There's also a Google Drive on here too that you can put it directly to your drive.